all of you on behalf of MCM and Nihar. Immunity and routine work in today's time all over the world, the main threat is fear, because most of the people are focused in day-to-day life only on routine work. But in this lockdown time, many of us would understand the value of health also. So naturopathy is exactly not a therapy, but it's a lifestyle. If you follow simple rule in your daily life, you can easily manage and maintain your health without spending much more money. We have 4 organs working for us for the process of detoxification. First, lungs. The issue sorry can you hear?
Yes, yes.
The main 4 organs are working for detoxification. Number 1, lungs. Number 2, skin. Number 3, our bowels, that is intestines. And number 4, kidney. So if every day we drink 3 to 4 liters of water, it will definitely help us to detoxify from inside. Water is the ever best detoxifier to detoxify our body from outside as well as inside. If we do pranayama every day, at least for 20 minutes, it will help us to clean our lungs, and our lungs will work at its peak because there are nearer to 60 million air sacs total in both lungs, but we are not using it what it should be. There are simple 2 exercises which anyone can follow even in lying position. Number 1, Anulom Vilom or Nadi Shuddhi. Start to inhale from left nostril. Now close left and exhale from right. Again from right. This is simple single cycle of breathing, but during any type of pranayama, meditation, primary condition, the back should be straight, and whenever you start your meditation or breathing or any type of pranayama, if possible, your eyes should be closed, because when we do pranayama, we go inside. For inner journey, we should close our eyes so we can connect more inside, because in this time we understand the mortalness of outside. So first one, intake of water 3 to 4 liter. Second one, pranayama 20 minutes at least, so you can follow it 5 to 10 minutes. Another, it seems common, but it is uncommon and very helpful in snoring, sleep apnea, heart issue, as well as issue related to our breathing as well as lungs. Keep both hands on your lungs. Close your mouth and start inhalation and exhalation rhythmically. Perform it only 5 times and take a pause for a minute, and again repeat it. If you follow it every day, 2 sets, 5 breathe, and every day add 1 count. Suppose you start from today 5, after a minute again repeat, then 5, 5 plus 5 10, tomorrow 6 plus 6, continuously you can follow at least for a month. So after a month, there will be 30 plus 30, 60 breathe for 60 million air sacs. And definitely, if you follow continuously for 100 days, you will make the difference. No need to make you understand from my side. Number 3, how to clean our body from inside, how to clean our bowels easily. If you take every day soup, salads, and some fiber in your daily meal, naturally such type of fiber, such type of vegetables will help you to detoxify your body, as well as it will help to clean your bowels. And whenever we take salads, soup, vegetables, and some amount of fresh dry fruits, it gives us vitamin A and vitamin C more. A, C, and E. There are 3 vitamins which are antioxidants. So whenever we take this vitamin in our diet, naturally we can boost up our immunity. Because when we take tablet or powder in form of vitamin, in form of tablets we take vitamin, it may increase constipation, it may increase some other problem. But when we take in natural form, definitely it will help and no risk of any side effect. There is one information I want to share. Some people in Nigeria took some allopathic medicine, HCQ, hydrochloroquine, before some days, and with the side effect of this HCQ, many people lost their vision. So mind well, whenever we knowingly or unknowingly take any high dose of any allopathic medicine or even any Ayurvedic medicine having more amount of metals, it may become harmful to your kidney, your liver, your bowels, and it may affect your eyes as well as your brain. So naturopathy ever helpful to us without any side effect. If we wear cotton cloth, if you use some less clothes in such type of weather, so in clothing, it will help to clean our skin, because if we wear cotton clothes, automatically the aeration will become more easy. If we wear another fancy clothing, it will become harmful to our lungs and also to our kidney, because our skin is a second kidney. So we have 4 organs to help our body for the process of detoxification, and only with the help of pranayama, with the help of water, with the help of clothing, with the help of natural diet, we can manage and maintain this organ. But what about mind? India is having population of 140 million people, and our state Gujarat run 43.5% business of our country, and my city Ahmedabad is having population of 7 million people. And even this moment we are facing corona threat. But even though government has to open lockdown step by step, because we also have to run the business, we also have to go for work outside. But here is good news. Our government start following naturopathy as well as Ayurveda. In my city, in my state, in my country, our government distributing some herbal liquids, some herbal powder, tablets, and government giving instruction on TV and in media to people, take lukewarm water, avoid to eat uh, unnatural food, and also daily take turmeric and other herbs. So people of Malaysia and of other country, here I will give you one simple and very effective remedy of turmeric. Turmeric is ever best antioxidant herbs. If you take 1 teaspoon turmeric every day, automatically your immunity will boost up. But if you take 1 teaspoon, that is 3 to 4 gram of turmeric powder, keep it in 200 grams or 200 ml of water, boil it for 5 to 7 minutes, and then pour it and add 5 to 7 drops of lemon. If you drink every day this miraculous mixer twice, automatically your immunity will boost up and you can easily fight up against corona and make the difference between corona and COVID-19. Suppose here are 1000 people and 1000 people suppose are suffering from corona. No need to worry, because when 1000 people are suffering from coronavirus, only 2.5% of them may be affected due to corona and will go to higher level, because in my country average 2.5% people are dying daily due to corona. This moment near to 4000 people have been died. Why? Because this 2.5% people were suffering from hypertension, kidney issues, obesity, and diabetes. Because when coronavirus enters in our body, if there are some negativity, number one, cough in our lungs, it may become active. There are some toxic in our bowels, it may become active because he gets support from inside, cough as well as any type of toxic. And number three, hypertension. Due to hypertension, our blood pressure may become raised, our pulse rate may become higher, and due to higher pulse rate, the breathing issue may become happen. So when we get victim of coronavirus, no need to worry. Every day, take hot water at least 3 to 4 times a day, lukewarm water, 100 ml 4 times a day, because in Malaysia or in India, we are facing 40 to 45 degrees of temperature. So if you take more amount of lukewarm or hot water, you may become patient of acidity or ulcer. So mind well, only take 100 ml lukewarm water 4 times a day, and take turmeric 2 to 3 grams of turmeric powder twice a day. And if you are a patient of acidity, take turmeric powder only once a day. And for pregnant women, only 1/4 teaspoon, 1.5 gram turmeric powder twice a day. Total maximum 3 grams of turmeric powder, not more than that for pregnant women. And if anyone from you are suffering from cough, he can use little more amount of turmeric powder. Anyone of you are suffering from constipation or indigestion, he should walk at least an hour every day, 30 minutes in morning, 30 minutes in evening, either or just before going to sleep. Even if you want to reduce your indigestion, you can walk just after finishing your meal. But after finishing your meal, you should walk slowly, because up to an hour after finishing your meal, the more amount of blood are there for better digestion. So again, I repeat, naturopathy is lifestyle. not a miraculous streak. You are miraculous. You can do miracle any moment, at any age. Suppose any one of you are having age more than 80, 90, no need to worry, because you are having the same lungs which I have. You are having the same bowels which I have. You are having the same kidneys which I have. And when you reach at 80, means you are knowingly or unknowingly follow the rules of Mother Nature. So age doesn't matter only your habit. Nihar Arogya Mandir working since 1994, mostly with the help of three words: habit, diet, and yoga. Habit means if you do regularly any type of exercise, pranayama, asanas, walking, running, gym, whatever you wish, you take your meal twice a day, lunch and dinner, and also you should mix another 2 times breakfast and in between any type of fruit or juice. 8, 12, 4, and 8. Suppose you take your breakfast 8 in the morning, lunch should be nearer to 12, the ever best time. And at 4 evening, you should take juice, salads, soup, any other hard snack if your appetite is higher. And last, you should take your dinner maximum by 8 evening, because if you take dinner after 8 evening, it means you are eating for doctor. Because when you take your dinner after 8, the 1/4 portion of your income will be go to doctor, 1/4 to medical store, 1/4 to laboratory, and 1/4 to other equipments. So please, maximum take your dinner by 8, and not possible, then take your snack around 6, and at 9 or 10 you should have some sweet fruits only. Within a month you will realize what you are getting from Mother Nature without investing a single penny, because all are equal. No Malaysian, no Chinese, no Indian, no American. Mother Nature is giving equal to all of us, but we are not using. He is giving us sun rays to maintain our skeleton, our hair, our eyes, our body. But if we take at least 20 to 30 minutes sun bath daily, and if not possible, we should take sun bath on Saturday, Sunday, but total 2 hours on Saturday, Sunday. So at least every month we should take 8 to 10 hours of sun bath and 120 hours within a year. Definitely you will be able to manage and maintain your lungs till last breath. If you follow pranayama daily, automatically the capacity of your lungs will be enhanced, your memory power will be improved. After the age of 60, our function of our carotid artery reduces. So atrophy starts after the age of 60 in many people. Atrophy means the blood circulation in brain reduces with the time. So if you follow this chest breathing, such type of breathing will help you to maintain your memory, your activity of every major organ. If you follow your habit of drinking water, exercise, definitely you'll become more healthy. And when you perform meditation, again I repeat, because you saw in my video, meditation means no mind position. It is not practically possible to go in no mind position, but when we close our eyes, at the same moment, we go inside deeply, and automatically the chattering of our mind start reducing. So thought process start to disturb us. Diabetes, high blood pressure, thyroid, anxiety, depression, these all diseases are mostly psychosomatic, not hereditary. The main problem is kitchen heredity. So if you can change your habit of eating more, eating fast, definitely you can reduce the intensity of your disease. You can reduce your sugar level, you can reduce your fat, you can reduce your anxiety. Only with the single habit of slow eating. Because just before start your meal, keep your eyes closed and start deep breathing only for 60 seconds. Take 10 to 15 deep breath and mind well. Whenever you exhale your breath, your stomach should go in. So automatically the residual air will go out. After a minute, start eating very slowly and masticate your food gently. If you eat slowly and spend at least 15 minutes, automatically within 30 days, you can able to reduce your weight from 1 to 3 kg even without doing any exercise. It is my guarantee because I met a person in 2012 in Mumbai. He lost his weight 80 pounds within 24 months only with the habit of slow eating. It's a miracle. If I give any powder or any herbal tablet to my patient, they offer me 70% discount. If every day I prescribe powder to my patient, I can earn daily 5 to 7 lakhs of Indian rupees. But in my life, in my practice of 27 years, I never prescribed any such type of powder or tablet to any of my patients. I always advise them such type of habits which I am advising at this moment to you and even in future. Because suppose you take any type of powder or tablet, definitely you will lose your weight, but after some period again you will at the same weight. Because when you take any shortcut, you follow any shortcut, after some period your BMR, basal metabolic rate, will be the same. Suppose your BMR at this time is 2000 and you are taking diet of 2300 calorie, you are taking every day 300 calorie more. So every month, if you want to reduce 9000 calorie, you should walk daily 1 hour. So with the practice of walking, you can reduce 7500 calorie. So for more 1500 calorie, if you eat slowly, you will reduce more than 3000 calorie. So understand, if you chew a meal properly and also add exercise, automatically you will reduce your sugar level, your obesity, your gas, your acidity, everything. But for mind, you should follow meditation. I will show you simple technique of chanting of Omkar and Ma. Please don't connect it with any religion, because Om means A plus U plus half M, and Ma means chanting of only M. So whenever you do meditation, even you can perform it in sitting position on chair. First, keep your back straight, close your eyes, and before chanting Om, take normal deep breathe. O, U, and Ma. Again, I will repeat. Suppose you have a car having only 3 gears. First gear, O, second gear, U, and final gear, Ma. So 10 to 15% O, 10 to 15% U, and finally Ma, 60 to 70%. If you give more weightage on the chanting of Ma, it will boost up your resistance power. In this era, after Corona, all people need to raise mental power because people are suffering from anxiety and depression more, even doctors and other industrialists. So please focus on chanting of Om at least for 10 minutes. Now chanting of Ma. In the same manner, keep your back straight, close your eyes, take normal deep breath, and then chant Ma from this area. Again, I will repeat. The hammering of Ma definitely will help to reduce your anxiety, your worrying, and it will enhance your capacity to face any challenge because it works here. The flow of blood comes in frontal lobe. So also follow the chanting of Ma for 10 minutes. Even if you can follow for 30 minutes, it will help you, it will gear up you. So habit, meditation, exercise, diet, and one more thing, very precious, very costly, more than diamond, more than platinum, more than anything on this planet. Why fasting is most precious? Because with the help of fasting, I get result in AIDS, in cancer, in corona, in aging process, in each and every disease. Because whenever you follow fasting, at the same moment, your body start to detoxify the disease. Suppose here is a patient having only 10 days of life. He is having last stage of cancer. If this moment I prescribe him fasting and some natural herbs, the same moment his or her body will start to reducing the level of toxicity, the level of anxiety, because I also prescribe meditation and breathing and my yoga master following. So automatically within 72 hours, he will get another life of 2 weeks. I am quoting this with proof. Before 30 days, there is a patient staying in Maryland in USA. And before 30 days, he was suffering from liver issue. Last stage, her level of bilirubin was 22. If the level of bilirubin raises from 1.2 and if it goes more than 10, any moment patient can go into coma, and if it goes more than 20, no chance of life almost. And when I started his treatment, the level was 22. I changed his diet at the same moment. No chance to send any herbals via courier or anyway to USA. So only with the help of diet and some breathing technique and meditation. After a week, the level reduced and went to 15. And before a week, the level was only 3. So he is at this moment 100% safe, and I could save his life with the help of my technique. So please understand the value of fasting. Fasting is easy if you follow. But in such type of cases, cancer, AIDS, even in corona, or this type of threat of liver issue, or in brain tumor or mouth cancer or lungs cancer, totally change your diet. I prescribe juices, fruits, dry fruits, salads, and some recipes, only vegetarian diet. Because if you follow non-vegetarian diet, the load will be on your bowels, on your digestive system. So during such type of fasting for the longer period, you have to follow only vegetarian diet. But don't afraid, in your day-to-day life, you should follow only fasting for 1 day. Every week, if you follow fasting for Saturday or Sunday, skip your one meal. If you want to skip your dinner, you can. If you want to skip your lunch, you can. Whenever you follow fasting, at the time of dinner, you should take only fresh sweet fruits and some dry fruits. If you want to skip your lunch, you should follow in the same manner. And after 2 to 3 months, you can make it harder. Follow the same whole day. Suppose after 2 to 3 months, skip your dinner as well as lunch and take only fruits or juices and dry fruits in place of your routine meal at the time of lunch as well as dinner, and also follow the same technique of meditation as well as routine exercises, walking. So friends, I think whatever I give here for boost up your immunity, your daily life, fight against corona, not COVID, because suppose any one of you or in your circle are HIV positive, no need to worry. Why? Because every HIV positive are not patients of AIDS. This is the loopholes. This is the threat. And due to these loopholes, or I will not use any other word, we are suffering. So if anyone is suffering from HIV, easily he can live 100 years of life. Because when HIV becomes active, then the threat of AIDS starts. When corona active, the threat of COVID-19 starts. In my city, in my country, even in Malaysia and all over the world. Because after some weeks, Max also will start his journey. After some months, I will also start my journey internationally even. So whenever we will go outside, there must be many patients of corona. So no need to worry if you follow simple diet, this technique of turmeric and deep breathing, and my video. Max, please circulate it in your circle, the mustard seeds and smoke of mustard seeds and salt. So if you every day take smoke of mustard seed and salt for 10 minutes, automatically your breathing tract will be open. So if you are able to clean this, clear this, calm it, no need to worry again corona, AIDS, or any future virus, morona, or anything. Because this year, corona, after 5 years, another virus, before 9 years, there were swine flu. So every decade, we are facing different type of threat. So now stop it. Start living healthy. Focus on your business. Focus on your health first. Then you are able to focus on your business.